What is going on, guys? We're gonna hit up the Character Warehouse. Are you excited?
Oh my god, you scared me. Yes.
It's a little,
so excited.
It's a little dark.
It's a little dark. I just see my shadow.
What are you looking for?
I'm hoping to get some pins.
We are out of here. This is jam-packed.
We got 14 families in front of us and no time frame because it all depends on how people shop.
14 families?
Yeah.
Who's here, the Addams family?
The first section that I love to check out as soon as we walk into the store is the mugs. Look at this genie mug, the Cheshire Cat down below. I absolutely love all of them. If I could, I would bring them all home. Look at these over here.
Anything you like?
Everything. We are always on the hunt to add something Mickey to our kitchen, like plates, aprons, more mugs, whatever we can get our hands on, really.
Look at what we have over here.
I can't believe that you can find Minnie ears, a Goofy and Mickey sorcerers hat for $4.
$4. And this goes for like $27 at the parks. When would you say is your favorite time to visit the store?
Every weekend.
Be honest, we're talking about like the seasons.
It would have to be after any festival at Epcot, like Food and Wine or the Flower and Garden Festival.
Yeah, that's when they add the most new merch, I would say.
Really, anytime you come to the store, you'll find a new surprise, whether it be toys, pop figures.
Fanny packs for $7.99. At the parks, this goes for like what, $20, $30?
Easily, yeah.
We got some more pop figures over here.
I love this one. It's the unicorn from Inside Out and Red from Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm not a huge fan of her.
You haven't even seen Pirates, let's be honest.
It's from the ride.
We got more covers for OtterBox.
Oh man, it's so sad that there's no cases for the iPhone 12 Max because I really want one.
I know, they have so many things to look at here, and we usually spend about an hour when we visit. Well, it's about that time. We're gonna check out the pins.
If you lose me in the store, you can always find me in the pins section. I'm always trying to find the most limited edition pin that there is out there.
We got some Mulan action going on right here.
Cruella de Vil, 101 Dalmatians, just in time for the new movie.
That's actually really nice. How about you show it to everyone?
You know I had to get this pin. It's a limited edition.
Limited edition?
And the movie just came out.
That is true. That's a good pickup right there.
There's a lot of Star Wars here.
Tons of Star Wars right now. This is actually the most Star Wars pins I've seen. Comparing it to the last couple visits that we've had, we've seen like the Disney princesses and stuff like that, but not a lot of Star Wars.
Here are some shirts that say 1971 when Disney World first opened.
Yeah, there's been a lot of generational clothing from Disney lately.
Definitely.
Would you like this book bag?
No.
They've been dropping a lot of different book bags and you know, fanny
Ooh,
packs.
look, Crocs.
Oh, yeah, like the one that we got your mom,
Yeah,
right?
we got those. She loves them.
Yeah, those we got for like $20, I think.
Yeah, at the park we've seen them for maybe $45, $50.
Yeah, it's been like $45. We got some more Yoda, $7.
Oh, look at the baby Crocs.
Little Crocs for the kids. Well, we're done at the first Disney Character Warehouse. We're on our way to the one by Disney World.
Look at these Aladdin toys, how cute. I used to have them as a kid growing up.
We got some Cars figures.
More Aladdin and Jasmine. And oh, this was so adorable to see.
This is Andy's toy box, no?
Yep, we got the binoculars. I think there's a Buzz in there. Some lanyards.
I like the lanyards for the pins. How about some Cinderella?
Oh, that was really pretty.
So we already see a couple different items here, like some Magic of Europe, some keychains that they didn't have over there.
A lot of stationery, some Chinese Lunar New Year's, postcards. So adorable.
Everything in this section there was just about $3.99. And how about this beautiful frame? $7.99?
Oh my god, that is something that we have to jump on.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And look at the apron right here again on full display, right?
Now I'm not sure if that's an apron or a blanket.
It looks like a blanket,
I
actually.
think it's a blanket.
So we got some kids shirt, a lot more options in this store. I would recommend heading over to the one by Disney World. That's our personal favorite. We always tend to find everything we're looking for Disney related over here.
And then some. Look at this Powerline shirt.
Powerline!
I love this.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
Heroes, High Seas.
Yeah, that's something from the Disney cruise lines.
Yeah, they have a lot of cruise line items here. Pandora. Yeah, these shirts, you know, which typically are like $30, and they range here in this store from like 7 to 12 at times.
Yeah. Oh, look at that one. How cute.
Oh, you know, I gotta get me one of these.
That's from Food and Wine. That's to carry a little wine glass and put your little appetizer on.
Oh, look at Figment, your
You know,
favorite.
I love Figment. I was so excited to see that.
Ooh,
These are so
Simba.
cool.
$5.99.
That was awesome.
More Crocs.
Oh, I like those sock calendars. Those were $15.99, I believe. Oh no, the Crocs were $15.99.
Crocs were 15?
Yeah, I think so.
No, $19.99. Oh, we gotta get this Millennium Falcon bag. Yeah, Star Wars.
Look at all these different bags. There we got some Pride Mickey
for
Mouse.
Pride. Yeah, Pride month.
$27.99.
How about this fanny pack?
I know you love those
Oh,
colors.
I gotta get me one. I gotta get me one.
Oh, that's from the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo Boutique. Some more clothes, shirts for women.
Just when I thought I lost you.
Look what I found.
Always in the pin section.
Always, always, always. Look how cute the Star Wars
Star
wallet.
Wars. Babe, as much as I love this store, I think our cart is full.
No.
Oh my. What did we just walk into?
There's some damage.
I want to go home.
I do too, trust me.
We got for $7 an official OtterBox Disney Park special here. For $7, when the regular price, I know you could barely see it there, but $50 is the regular price. OtterBox is the best kind of phone cover you could possibly get. Just put on the cover. Oh. All right, so as you see, we got 2 bags of goodies, tons of items to go through, so let's jump right into it. All right, bag number 1. We did end up getting the festival taste around the world tray, and we really like it. Like we said, you get to put a cup right here, your appetizers right here. We wanted to use this at the house for when we watch movies on the couch. We don't make a mess. It has like a deep dish type of feel to it. And of course, it has the Disney artwork from the festival, which we both really love. Those were $1.99 each. Oh, I've been wanting to get this fanny pack for a while, especially now with the GoPro. We need to have easy access, and you know, the brighter the color, the better during the summer for the heat. So we're gonna be using this. It's gonna come in handy, and this goes for at the park for $30. We got this for $7.99. So for $7.99 instead of $30, I'll take it. Head to the outlet because you're gonna be getting some goodies like that. Our last item in this bag is the frame. So we're gonna showcase it, give you guys a close-up, but the frame itself goes for $25 at the park, and we got it for $7.99. What a steal. Let me pull it out here carefully. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful. Wow, this is amazing. Spectacular fireworks, making memories, show your character, family fun, a very happy place, Mickey, oh boy, best vacation ever, where dreams come true, have a magical day, fast pass fun. Wow, I really like it. Probably when you guys go, they won't have this frame, but trust me, they have tons of beautiful frames to get. Usually when we've gone, there's plenty to go through, but you know, this one really stuck out to us, so we ended up getting it. Oh, I almost forgot. We got the new ride, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway Whistle. It's very authentic, sounds just like a Disney park train whistle item. This goes for $12.99 at the parks, and we got it for $5, $4.99. Wow. And it has Mickey right there, look at how nice. So these are all the items in bag number 1. We got the frame, the whistle, the fanny pack, and the tray. All right, let's get into bag number 2. This is where things get a little interesting. Eric was really excited to get this one. We got the pin set for the movie Up, which we both really love. And she actually traded for one of these at the park, and then once we saw this at the store, you know, the regular price is $27.99, and we got it for $9.99. And it comes with these nice pins right there from the movie. Beautiful set. Ooh, this one is really nice actually. So this one you could hang it up like a little ornament. Nobody can be uncheered with a balloon. It's a Winnie the Pooh special edition Disney Parks limited release pin. And the regular price for this one is $15.99. Yeah, we got this one for like $5. Ooh, the little Star Wars wallet, that's right. So this one goes for $14.99. We ended up getting it for like $4. So Erica has a few of these already. She has like the Haunted Mansion one and a few other ones that she has started to collect. So really cool item here. Oh, this is another really nice pin. Look at this. It's a limited release. It regularly goes for $15.99 and we ended up getting it for $5. Yeah, that's Cinderella, right? Look at her right there. There we go. Nice view right there. Birds help me get dressed in the morning. Oh, this is the genie. Yep, this one we got for like $4. Yeah, $4, $3.99, and the regular price is like $7.99 or $10, something like that. Often imitated, but never duplicated. Another nice add-on to the collection right there. How about this one? The freaking Cruella de Vil, which we didn't really show it in the video 12 because we wanted to get it. 1961. 2021 limited edition, celebrating 60 years of the Dalmatians. Look at how nice that pin is. It has the double back, regular price $20. $10. This one was $10. All right, so here it is, the grand finale. This one we contemplated and talked about it, but let me tell you, it was well worth picking up. So celebrating 20 years of Disney pins. Oh my goodness, look at this beauty. It's a Disneyland original pin here. You know, nice gray tone to it. I'm not even gonna open it. It's very limited. It says it right there. Limited edition 1000. This goes for $109.99, and we ended up getting it for $54.99. So half off. It's an official collector's item, and this is how we have taken our pin collection to the next level. Couldn't be more proud of our collection, man. Erica has picked out some beautiful pins, and every time we go to the outlet, we walk away with so many goodies and at such a great price. This video is just a big old promo for the outlet store because it is well worth checking out. If you're in the Orlando area, go to the Disney outlet. It's called Character Warehouse. Google it. Go to the one by the Disney parks. It's the best one in my opinion, but the other one did have this one. The other one is closer to Universal Studios, and it did have this beautiful pin right here. So I'm glad we visited both for this video because we walked away with tons of items that we both really wanted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All aboard!